Welcome to the Build Made Easy, where I share everything you should probably know about a house.
I'm at the lot right now and it is a beautiful cold morning here in Perth. I actually came out here yesterday evening. It was probably the happiest moment of our building journey so far. Getting to this stage can be exhausting with everything you have to go through to get here. But finally, seeing it in action, seeing the footings, seeing everything, all the foundations and the layout of the home is incredibly rewarding. We are currently in plumbing rough-in stage, which means that we have already completed earthworks, repeg and the footing trenches. And let's go through each of those individually. Earthworks is basically clearing the whole lot and then making it completely level and flat. Depending on your block, there could be vegetation, trees, and sometimes debris left by the builders building in the neighborhood. Where you can see here, for example. Once the lot is cleared, they compact the soil and then leave an indent in the garage location. Remember that the garage sits one course lower compared to the rest of the house. One tip here, be mindful of the cost of earthworks in your quote. If it's significant, you can actually save some money by asking your builder how much they would credit you if you cleared the site yourself and using a private contractor. Once the earthworks are completed, the surveyors come in to repeg the site. It's basically installing these things if they are missing and making sure that those things are in the right locations as per the plan or like the boundaries of your lot. The same surveyor also does the pad audit. They define the exact corner locations of the house footprint and install the pegs with pink and green strings running across. Once the pad audit is completed, the lot is ready for the real action. The trades come in to dig the trenches for footings. The footings are basically the foundations of the building. Think of it like wedging the house into the ground so that it's strong enough to withstand the winds and the load up top. Because it's a very sandy site here in Perth, you can see that the trades have used the water so that the sand does not fall back into it while they're digging. Next, the plumber comes in for plumbing rough-in. It's basically installing the pipes in the locations as per the plans for the kitchen drains, the bathroom drains and the laundry drains and all that kind of stuff. While I trust my builder would do the right thing, mistakes can happen. End of the day, it's an individual executing the work. They do still cross-check. For example, the guy who was here works cross-checking everything is in the right place, but I do those checks by myself as well. Yesterday, I verified the trenches aligned with the house walls locations, and today I'm cross-checking the locations of the drains. I did the same kind of cross-checking throughout the draft phase, and I'm glad I did because I feel much more confident in the plan now. I did one mistake though. I completely underestimated how quickly the builder would move from earthworks to the slab, and I haven't actually booked in the building inspector for the slab. I think it's coming in a few days, and I generally look for the best in the business for everything. I should have probably booked in advance. Anyway, I'm gonna make a few calls after this and we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching. I'll come up with more updates in the next video. Cool, thank you. Have a good day.